Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming basics. Batteries are good and the screen is legible. Once done, press the mode or setup key. On many models, you use a second or shift key first. This accesses display options. Then select normal or norm from the list. That reverts scientific or fixed formats back to the default. Make sure to exit the menu so changes apply, and run a simple calculation to see the display behave as expected. Next, you fine-tune how results appear. Navigate to display or format, switch from sci or fixed to norm so numbers show as regular decimals. If results still look odd, change the precision, for example, set 6 or 9 digits, because precision settings force rounding. Use the arrow keys to change values, then press Enter or OK to apply. Once done, perform a few diverse calculations to verify integers, fractions, and long decimals display normally. To finish, confirm the change with test problems. 2 plus 2, 1/3, and a large constant. This reveals whether normal mode is active. Make sure the device retains settings after turning off, save a profile if possible, or power cycle to check permanence. If the calculator refuses to revert, perform a soft reset from the menu. If that fails, remove batteries for a minute or use the hardware reset. Be cautious, a full reset may erase memory. If problems persist, consult model.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.